sure your tea is going to be a different color.
I hated myself for that. Oh, why did I do this? Hi friends, welcome to or back to my channel. But if you've never seen this face before, my name is Chaunna and you should definitely subscribe because I post new videos every single week. And this week, I am trying a juice cleanse. I have been seeing juice cleanses all over Instagram and YouTube, and I just really want to try one. I'm not doing it to like lose weight or anything like that. I read online that it helps detoxify your whole body, it cleanses out your digestive system. It's supposed to give you more energy, better sleep, help with skin, all that good stuff. So honestly, I'm mostly doing it out of curiosity to see if it does work. This is all kind of an experiment. And if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you know that I love to DIY my own things. Usually I like to DIY my own stuff to save money, and it kind of just makes it a little more personal when you do things like that. So I'm gonna be doing my own one-day DIY juice cleanse. Before anybody comes at me, I just want to say I am using a magic bullet for this juice cleanse. I don't have a juicer, and I'm not going to go out and buy a juicer just for something I want to test out once. Maybe in the future, if I really like it, I'll invest in a juicer and do a proper juice cleanse, but for now I'm just using a blender. But my plan, hopefully it works, is just to cut up everything really, really small and of course add water, and hopefully it'll be a juicy, liquidy substance that'll come out of it, hopefully. The recipe I'm using I found online and I'll link it down below. So in order to get the ingredients for this juice cleanse, I had to go to the grocery store. And if I'm going to the grocery store, I had to make a grocery list. So this video is sponsored by Weamypens. Here are a couple that they sent me. They're really, really cute. They low-key make me wish I was back in school so I could use these to take notes. That's how cute they are, and that's how much I love them. That is just a joke. I am so glad I'm off school for 4 months. For me personally, when things are cute and aesthetically pleasing, I love them so much more. It just kind of motivates you to do more. So I'm gonna definitely be using these when I go back to school to take my notes and everything. When I write with pens, I like them to be kind of jelly, but not too inky that it runs, if that makes sense. And these pens are great for that. The ballpoint pens that have more of an inky feeling aren't runny and they don't smudge, and the thin ones literally glide so smoothly. So they have free standard shipping to Canada and the US. So if you guys want to get yourself some cute pens for school, taking notes, planning your day, making a grocery list, whatever you want to do, I will have their Instagram and their website linked down below, and you can use the code Diaz20 for 20% off your purchase. So make sure you guys go check them out and get yourself some awesome pens. So I was supposed to start this cleanse at 8 o'clock, and it is now past 9, so we're kind of a little late, but that's okay. I'm gonna start with the lemon detox water. Why am I already struggling, and it's literally just lemon water? I literally can't even drink this. What makes you think I can do this whole juice cleanse? Okay, I'm gonna gradually drink this as we continue, because like I can't chug that. I'm not capable of it. I'm gonna start making the rest of the drinks. Every time you come around, I feel okay. Done. Help me see color in a world of gray. Girl, you make me feel some type of way. That actually worked. It's actually really liquidy too, like it's not even like a smoothie or anything. Okay, this will work. Every little thing you say or you do got me feeling like everything is brand new. I just sit and wonder why I can't believe that I'm your guy. Just say my name and I'll come through. There's a cashew and almond milk one, and then I end the whole thing with tea. So for the cashew and almond milk one, I'm not gonna make it until I actually go drink it, because I have to soak the cashews in almond milk over 2 hours. So I'm gonna get those soaking, clean up, and then we're gonna drink our next juice. So here are my 5 juices, plus one more that I have to make later, but here they are. So it's now 11 o'clock and I just started my second juice. It kind of smells like grass, but it tastes good. Out of everything, I can taste lemon the most. So far, I am a little hungry. Hopefully when I'm done this, I won't feel hungry anymore. Also, guys, look what my dad did. So basically, my dad knows I'm doing a juice cleanse, but I guess this was out of habit because every single morning, my dad makes coffee. He literally left me coffee this morning, and this makes me so sad because I really, really want to drink it. And brewed coffee, oh, it's so good, so freaking good. It's literally just sitting right there, looking all pretty, mocking me, and I just want to drink it so bad. But I can't. Okay guys, so I'm on the 3rd juice and I'm honestly feeling really hungry, so I hope this fills me up. I'm kind of back at this pro setup here just because my camera and my light's already here. This is the carrot juice one with carrots, apples, lemon, and ginger. Oh, I don't like this one at all. Oh, it's so bad. Oh, why did I do this? We're not doing so well. I had to take a mental break after that orange one. It was really gross. I put way too much ginger and it was making me feel sick. So I've just been lying down. I haven't done anything. Just past 2 o'clock and I'm supposed to wait until 3 o'clock to drink the next one, but I'm really hungry. This one I'm hoping will taste good. It's the pineapple and cucumber one. Oh, I can't even open it. Okay, I can deal with this one. This one's okay. It's a lot mintier than I thought. Can't really taste the pineapple as much. It honestly just all tastes like mint, but anything is better than that orange one. I really want to go to the gym today. I don't know. I don't want to like pass out or anything. I just finished the pineapple, cucumber, mint one. My sink looks so gross. Oh my god. Look how gross my sink looks. I think I slept for like maybe 2 hours-ish. My head hurts so much. I have to go drink the next juice, which is the lemonade one. And I'm really, really, really hungry.
Sure, your poo is going to be a different color.
My what?
Your poo.
What about my poo?
It's going to be all a different color.
I hated myself for that. That's really strong. I might have put too much pepper. I have the hiccups. So it's almost 7 o'clock and I'm not supposed to drink this one until 8, but like I'm really, 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 really hungry and I'm this close to breaking. So I kind of just want to drink it now. Drink this one slowly and gradually and hopefully it kind of fills me up a little bit because I'm really, really... This is the mean green one. I don't exactly remember what's in it. I just remember it's like all the green stuff. I liked the first green drink this morning. Hopefully... Okay, this one isn't that bad. So it's like 8:30 and I'm gonna make my last juice thingy. And I'm actually excited for this one because I know I'm gonna like it because it's cashews, almond milk, and banana. And like I like all of those. So you're supposed to soak the almonds. I soaked mine in almond milk. Oh, grace, oh, grace. Every time you come around, I feel... Okay, this one's actually really good. This is really good. This is my favorite one. Hi guys, so it's now the next day. I just ate breakfast and got ready to going out, but I just wanted to end this video. Last night, I did not finish the tea. Like, I didn't get to the tea part. I was drinking the cashew one while I was watching a movie, and then when the movie was over, I was gonna go drink the tea, and I felt so sick. Like, I literally thought I was gonna throw up. It was really bad. But when I woke up this morning, I felt better. I ate like a breakfast sandwich, and I feel good. My stomach is still a bit like, wah, like it's not used to food right now. I feel cleansed, but I also feel like kind of gross because my stomach's just like, ugh. Overall, I do not recommend doing what I did. If you're gonna do it DIY, use a proper juicer. Don't be like me and think you can do it with a smoothie. It wasn't as cleansing as a normal juice cleanse. I tried to make it like as liquidy as possible and they were pretty liquidy. They just had too much pulp in them, which made it kind of gross sometimes and like isn't exactly a proper juice cleanse. But it was a fun experience and now I can say that I've tried it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little DIY video. I like doing DIYs because I saved about, I would say like $30 making them myself. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video and yeah, bye. Put your hand